hair fixing. Fix your hair back. Permanent natural hair.
Right now, what is your major concern? Is it your physical appearance? Is it your body, your skin, or your hair? 64% of Indians are affected by male pattern baldness and 81% are in between 21 to 40 years old. The reasons are your genetic influence. It can be from your dad, your mom, from the X chromosomes, Y chromosomes, or your ancestors. The kind of work-life balance, the amount of stress which is coming into you does matter how much of hair you shed on a daily basis. And if it is not genetic, it will be from your food habits, the poor eating habits, the kind of chemicals which you use in your shampoos, conditioners, the enormous pollution which you face in your day-to-day life. Everything does matter. What other things you would have tried? You would have tried applying medicines, Ayurvedic, allopathic, homeopathic, and much, much more. But does it work? Every day, when you stand in front of the mirror, you realize it has gone even worse, right? After 11 years of immense research, we at Headz Hair Fixing have derived the best possible solution, a non-surgical hair replacement with the most advanced silicone bio-bonding procedure. No surgeries, no side effects. Choose your desired style and get back to your good old hair days. Look natural and feel natural.
Headz uses the real human hair which is clinically tested and treated. I'm extremely happy and satisfied with the hair system done on me. I would definitely recommend to others.
Rachna was too concerned about her hair thinning problem. We resolved it using an 18-inch hair extension. Every customer of Headz might have a concern on how strong is the fixing method. You can enjoy your weekend swim with utmost happiness and without any anxiety about the strength of the hair, and just play without any worries. Each hair system is custom designed uniquely based on the texture and size of the hair lost area. You can always rely on us. Headz have made an immense effort to make it affordable for people from all walks of life. We stand out in the industry with a customer reliability of more than 5,000 plus customers. Headz stand out in the customer relations. We treat the customers as our friends, not as kings. How do you contact us? Contact us here. See you all soon.